Arun was always busy chasing success, ignoring time with loved ones. One day, he found an old pocket watch in his grandfather's belongings. Curious, he wound it, and time stopped around him. Everything froze: people, cars, even the wind. Realizing he could control time, he used it to gain wealth and power. But as he paused time repeatedly, years passed unnoticed. One day, he looked in the mirror and saw an old, lonely man. Arun realized he had traded precious moments for meaningless achievements. Desperate, he tried to rewind the watch, but it wouldn't work. In regret, he visited his mother's grave and broke into tears. A child nearby asked, "What's in your hand, uncle?" Arun gave the watch to the child, saying, "Don't waste your time like I did." Without the watch, Arun started living in the present moment. He noticed the beauty of life he had ignored for years. Arun learned, time isn't meant to be controlled, but to be respected. In his final days, he shared this wisdom. Money can be earned back, but lost time is gone forever. Arun passed away peacefully, leaving behind a simple truth. Time is life's most valuable gift. Use it wisely. Cherish every moment, because time waits for no one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment